keep moving over here. Yeah, go ahead.
Well, I'm gonna take a little different twist here and give you 23 years of education experience and insight.
Wonderful.
Without a doubt, the best thing that I think these students have ever seen at this school in 23 years is this film. And I think you guys deserve a great hand. I really do.
For us, it's about wanting to explore how and why we are the way we are, and then why we should do more.
The best place to start is looking within yourselves, because before you can solve a problem, you have to realize there's a problem.
It's about time America realized that we're all messing up. We're all spending our money. We're spending $500 on a stupid purse. It's about what we're seeing. It's about the message that we're listening to.
I love you. Our students in this audience who are sitting there going, you know, I'm only one person. You guys can do something here. Great job, guys.
Adopted two Afro-Brazilian kids who are now 16 and 19, so it's important for them. I'm always interested in new movements, in new wake-up. We all have sort of the same basic needs, at least, however different our cultures may be. And as your film points out, if you go deeply into a local problem, you come up with universal ideas.
I think the crucial part is staying true to your integrity and your own inspiration. And I think a lot of people get discouraged because you're going to get mocked, you're going to get made fun of, you're going to get into arguments. But I promise you, if you stay true to that and what you believe in, the people that you're going to meet along the way, the connections that you will make will be much deeper than those people that didn't listen.
I knew very little about Noam Chomsky. I knew very little about Howard Zinn. I knew very little about the people's history, and get educated, you learn those skills, and so that's where it begins. Get your voice heard and speak your mind. Don't be afraid.
Stand up for what you believe in, because if we don't do that, nothing will change.
Yeah, this was the first time I saw the film. You know, it hit like a bombshell. Some of the stuff in the beginning about how people were feeling like they couldn't make a difference, it was extremely powerful. And how as they move forward into talking more about what it is people need to be doing to make a difference, how they can get involved, I thought all that was extremely powerful as well.
A film like Regeneration is extremely important. It's something that really sparked my interest because it's about my generation. Ultimately, it's going to open your eyes. Seeing this movie really encourages me to, you know, like they said at the end of the movie, it only takes a few people to go out there and make the change, and they have to be activists, you know, regardless of whether they're going to be discriminated against or ridiculed, they have to make the change.
I want to thank the Artists Film Festival and everybody involved for allowing us to come in here, having one of the greatest experiences of my life as a filmmaker, opening night to a packed house, 660